got ourselves a mail call.
Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. I'm going to go over a little mail call here. Got a box from Bruce from Fabkreations. He did a video showing a plate over his stove, and I commented that I liked it. So I got an email from him saying, well, if you send me your stove, I'll do the mods. And I was like, that would be awesome, thank you. So he also did something else, but I don't know what else is in this box, so I thought I'd do a mail call and show you. So let's rip it open. Alrighty, let's see what we got here. Oh, well, he sent me a bunch of stuff. Let's see here. He sent me an envelope. I'll open that in a moment. Oh, sweet. Sent me some Instafire. I actually have some, but I haven't gotten around to using it yet. That's very cool. We got a, oh, for the Trangia. I'll get that open in just a moment. Zip top bag, those are always appreciated. Oh, cool. Looks like a fuel bottle. Thank you, Bruce. I didn't know there'd be so much stuff in here. And that's this. What we got here? Looks like we got oh, looks like we got one of those wicks. Very cool. Looks like another stove. Additional fuel bottle. Well, that's really cool. Not really sure. I'm not entirely sure, but I think it goes like that. So I think you put the legs on the little base, put fuel in there, liquid fuel, denatured alcohol is what I have, and then you put this on top, and you put your cook set on top of that, I think. That's really cool though. I'll have to give that a try. That's badass. It's very cool. We got, looks like we got some wood chunks. Probably for the stove, which this is my stove, which I finally got back. Let's see. So that's the plate for it. And it has these two pieces here that it sits on. So I will put the stove together off camera, and then I'll show you the. Excuse me. Okay, so I got it pieced together. Now, if you can see, I don't know if you can see this, but there are two little slits right here, and these go down inside the little slits like this, because this plate here, where's it? Has them right here, and then these just set like that. And then you take the plate and you put it on top, just like that. Isn't that cool? Okay, so what I went ahead and did is I paused for a moment and go get a pot so you can set a kettle up on top. So you make your fire inside while it burns up, the heat rising up. That way it doesn't mess up your cook pot with a bunch of soot. I got the nice flat bottom kettle here, but I also got the pot there. But I think it gives it a nice, nice big flat, surface opposed to just doing it that way. But I got an idea with this plate. I might give it a try. In his letter, I read his letter off camera. He said he wasn't really happy with the burn times, but I think it's going to have to require some. I think I'm going to have to go do some outdoor testing with it. I do want to use my stove more, so make the fire down in here. You can feed the stove here. Hope that's not too dark. And then you have your plate and you have your cook pot. So that's pretty cool. Alright, so we got the Trangia packet I set aside. This is a pot stand for Trangia, I believe. It looks just like it. I've actually never used one, so I'm a Trangia stand virgin, as it were. Come on, let go. Sorry. Get that off of there. Oop. Then knock everything over. So I think you go like that. I think that's the burner. And then you gotta be careful. I got a little bit of fuel in here from the last. Actually, I might have this upside down. This might be the base. Actually, I think it is. Like, that's the base. Nice stable base, and then this. Oh yeah, exactly what it is. Got the grooves in here that sit right on top of the Trangia. Hopefully you can see that okay. Doesn't look as clear on the camera, but that is very cool. Of course, you can't use a simmer ring, but if you're just boiling water, I mean, that's not a big deal. So that might have to be on a future outing. That's badass. That's very cool. Two things I don't really have a lot of. Actually, I think I do have another Trangia holder, but I got to get that out there too. Man, I got a lot of stuff I need to do. Getting backed up on videos, which I guess just means more content down the road. But you gotta make a list and then check it twice and then stick to the darn thing and start getting these videos out. So the letter said that this is a Fancy Feast stove, which I've never owned one before, so this will be my first. So that'll have to make an appearance as well. Again, I hope you guys can see that. That's very cool. So that'll be in a future video. And I've got the little fuel bottle. You actually threw in an extra just so I could carry my denatured alcohol, which I do have some. Alright, there's my denatured alcohol. It's only about a third left. So that is very cool, badass. Thank you, Bruce. Appreciate that. I'm gonna be a busy man, I think. Gonna have a lot of stuff coming up. As soon as probably the holidays are over, I'm gonna be getting right back into getting videos rolling again. So lots of content on the way. Alrighty, so I got Bruce's sticker. Kind of like a foil, foil type sticker right here. Got him on my board. Very cool. And while I was off camera, I ran out to the mailbox and I got a Christmas card from Open Air Fish Market. The Enduring Patriot. Thank you, brother. Appreciate that. I do. Check your mailbox. Wink nudge. Hope I didn't just show the addresses. Anyway, I appreciate you watching. Thank you. I will catch you in the next one. Just doing a quick mail call. I got a few things coming this month which I need to get out and film, but today I've just been relaxing. Although it's already 3 o'clock. I got much to do and not much time to do it. So, as always, I appreciate you watching. Thank you again, Bruce. I think my head's getting cut off a little bit. Thank you, Bruce, for the stove again, or the stove mod, and the Fancy Feast stove, and the Trangia stand. Those are awesome. There'll be videos for those coming hopefully soon. Probably not for the rest of the month, but I mean, there's definitely going to be content coming. So, as always, again, thank you, and have a great day. We'll see you in the next one.